Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate social profile branding in Buffer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your social profile branding in Buffer, begin by logging into your Buffer account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Social Accounts option. Here, you will see a list of the social platforms that can be connected to your Buffer account. Select the social profile you want to authenticate, such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Click on the Connect button next to the desired platform. You will be prompted to log into your account for that social media platform. Enter your login credentials and authorize Buffer to access your information. After successfully logging in, Buffer will prompt you to grant necessary permissions. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once authorization is complete, you will be redirected back to Buffer. Your social profile should now appear in the list of connected accounts. To ensure branding consistency, click on your newly added social profile. Here, you can upload your profile image and customize your branding settings. Make sure to fill out the bio and website fields with accurate information. Double-check all entries for accuracy and relevance. Once everything looks good, save your changes. Repeat this process for any additional social profiles you wish to authenticate. Remember to revisit your settings regularly to keep your branding up to date. With all profiles authenticated, you are now set to manage your social media branding effectively in Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.